Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss about the brain teasers of rational numbers. First question, subdivision A, tick the correct option. The value of x such that minus 3 by 8 and x by minus 24 are equivalent rational numbers is, which is the option, means find out x, isn't it? Here we have to find out the value of x. So which are the two rational numbers? Minus 3 by 8 and x by minus 24. So the cross multiplication, minus 3 into minus 24 is equal to 8 into x. Keep x on the right side. Minus 3 into minus 24 upon this 8 will come to the denominator. 8 ones are 8, 3s are 24. So x is equal to minus minus becomes plus, 3 3s are 9 by 1, that is 9. So which is the option? The fourth option, plus 9. So this is the rough work, the solution for that. Okay. So find the value of x. क्या करने का है? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, minus 3 into minus 24 is equal to 8 into x. x right side में रखने का है, left hand side में minus 3 into minus 24 and 8 bring it to the denominator. Cancel, 8 ones are 8 3s are, minus minus will be plus, 3 3s are 9 by 1, x is equal to 9. Now coming to the question number B, which of the following is a negative rational number? Numerator, denominator, negative, then it becomes a positive. 0 does not have positive or negative, and minus 5 by 7 is a negative rational number. 4 by 9 is positive. In the question number C, in the given number line, which of the following rational number does the point M represent? तो इधर नंबर लाइन दिया है 0 and to the right side it is positive, to the left it is negative. So negative का वो लोग दिए नहीं है, directly 1, 2 and M दिया है. तो पहले फाइंड आउट करो 0 to 1. It is divided into how many units? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 unit is divided into 10 divisions. So this one will be 10, 11, 12. So it became 12. M is equal to 12 upon 1 unit is divided into 10 divisions. So 2 5s are 2 6s are. So M is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. M is equal to 6 by 5. Hope you are understanding. So first you have to find out how many divisions one unit is divided, that will be in the denominator. और m कौन सा वाला है? 10, 11, 12. So numerator में 12 and denominator में 10, and here 12 by 10 is not there. So you simplify and see. Which is the greatest rational number out of the following? तो पहले इसको सबको सेम, ये न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैसे करो तो ये बनेगा 5 by minus 11 minus 5 by 12 and 5 by minus 11, isn't it? So all the denominators make it negative. So 5 by minus 11, this one will be 5 by minus 12 and this one will be 5 by minus 17. Now, when the numerators are same, the denominator, if it is the smallest, that rational number will be the greatest. When denominator same, then numerator जो छोटा रहता है वो सबसे छोटा rational number. इधर opposite है. So numerator when it is same, then the smallest denominator, that rational number will be the greatest. So first check the compare the denominators. In the denominators, minus 17 is lesser than minus 12, lesser than minus 11. Means minus 17 is the smallest, isn't it? So this rational number, therefore 5 by minus 17 is the greatest rational number. Okay. So the numerator when it is same, the smallest denominator, that rational number, it will be the greatest. So in this, which is the option? It is the third option, 5 by minus 17. Now coming to the E, question number E, it is which of the following rational numbers is the smallest? So all are the absolute values. Find out the absolute value. For this it is 7 by 11. For this it is 8 by 11. And for this it is 2 by 11. And for this it is 9 by 11. Now all the denominators are same. So the smallest numerator, which is it? It is 2 by 11. So 2 by 11, so minus 2 by 11. This is the smallest rational number. Is it clear? So that was question number 1A. Now coming to question number 1B. Answer the following questions. Find the average of the rational numbers 4 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 6. So average. How to find out the average? Add all and divide by the number. Isn't it? So how many rational numbers are there? So first write average of 4 by 5, 2 by 3 and 5 by 6 is equal to 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. How many rational numbers are there? 3. The whole divided by 3. Now the numerator is in the fractional form, isn't it? Rational number. So take the LCM and for addition we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 5, 3 and 6. Directly if we see biggest number is a 6. 6 का टेबल बोलते जाओ 6 एंड 6 उसके जो मल्टीपल्स है 5 एंड 3 के मल्टीपल्स है या नहीं चेक करो. 6 1s are 6, it's not there. 6 2s are 12, नहीं. 6 3s are 18, नहीं. 6 4s are 24, नहीं. 6 5s are 30. मतलब जो भी multiple of the greatest number, it should be a multiple of the other two numbers also. Then it is the LCM. To see the directly, to find out the LCM, this is the method. Okay, now otherwise the common division method you have to do. Okay, now convert all these into the denominator 30. 4 by 5, 30, 5 6 are, 4 6 are 24. Now 2 by 3, 30, 3 10s are, 2 10s are 20. This everything we have discussed already in the worksheets. Hope you are confident of the topic. 6 5s are 30, 5 5s are 25. Put the values. So it will be, first it is 24 by 30 plus 20 by 30 plus 25 by 30 upon this 3. So when you add, 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 69 by 30 upon 3. Means divide by 3 means what? 69 by 30 into the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Remember? So 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 23 by 30. Is it okay? So the average of the 3 rational numbers, answer is 23 by 30. Now how will you write 12 by minus 18 in the standard form? First what we have to do? Multiply by minus 1. Why? To make the denominator positive. So numerator will be minus 12 and denominator will be 18. हाँ है ना? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के लिए 2 स्टेप है. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज डिनोमिनेटर को पॉजिटिव बनाओ. कैसे? मल्टीप्लाई बाय minus 1. If the denominator is negative, then you have to convert. And next step, the simplification. Lowest term में लेकर जाने का है. So कौन से टेबल में आएगा? 12 and 18. It is 6. So divide by 6. So 6 how much are 12? पहले sign minus plus minus. 6 2s are 12. And denominator 6 how much are 18? 6 3s are 18. Answer is minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now coming to the question number C. How many rational numbers are there between any two rational numbers? You can write as much as many as the possible. So that is why the answer is infinite. Infinite rational numbers are there between any two rational numbers. Isn't it? It is unlimited, infinite. On the number line, minus 5 by minus 7 lies on which side? So minus 5 by minus 7 will be 5 by 7. It became positive. So on which side it will be? On the right side of 0. Okay. Now express minus 7 by minus 8 into denominator 40. Remember this? So minus 7 by minus 8 40 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए छोटे से बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालो, माइनस प्लस साइन आएगा माइनस, है ना, माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बी प्लस. So 8 how much are 40? 8 5s are 40. Numerator also multiply by minus 5. Minus minus will be plus. 7 5s are 35. So the answer is 35 by 40. Hope everyone understood the question number 1, section A and B. Isn't it? Now coming to the question number 2. State whether the following statements are true. If not, give the example in support of your answer. So whether first say whether it is true or false, and if it is false, then you have to give the explanation. If P by Q is greater than R by S, then absolute value of P by Q is greater than absolute value of R by S. Is it true? No, it is false. Why? Minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 4 by 3. Yes or no? Denominators are same. Minus 2 is greater than minus 4. But the absolute value of minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3, and absolute value of minus 4 by 3 is 4 by 3. Isn't it? So therefore 2 by 3 is lesser than 4 by 3. So therefore 2 by 3 lesser than 4 by 3, that is minus absolute value of minus 2 by 3 is lesser than absolute value of minus 4 by 3. That is why the statement is false. Okay. Now coming to the second sum. If absolute value of x is equal to y, then x is equal to y. No, again it is false. Why? Absolute value of minus 1 by 3 is equal to absolute value of 1 by 3. Whether it is positive or negative, the absolute value will be 1 by 3. But minus 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 3. As such, the rational numbers, they are not equal, isn't it? Now coming to the third true or false. P by Q is a non-zero rational number in the standard form. It is necessary that the rational number Q by P will also be a rational number. Is it? Is in the standard form? No. Why? Now, minus 1 by 3 is in standard form. What is the standard form? The denominator is should be positive. But 3 by minus 1 is not in standard form. Yes or no? For negative integers, it won't be the true. The statement is not true. Now coming to the third question, represent 5 1 by 3 and minus 29 by 4 on a number line. So 5 1 by 3. 5 1 by 3 means what? 3 5s are 15, 16. So here you find out which is the 5 1 by 3, that is 16 by 3. It is here, isn't it? 5 1 by 3, that is 16 by 3. Is it clear? So divide each division into, the denominator is a 3. Then you draw the number line. Now coming to the second is minus 29 by 4. Minus 29 by 4. Okay, negative. So 29. You know, 7 4s are, or 4 7s are 28. Yes or no? 4 7s are 28. Otherwise, directly you can tell this is 28 and this is 29. Otherwise, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is minus 29 by 4. So denominator is 4. So divide each unit into 4 divisions and then write. Okay. So here you can write it is a minus 7 1 by 4. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. Hope you understood. If it is a bigger number, how to draw the number line. Okay, then we have completed up to question number 4, the brain teasers. Hope you have understood till here. Bye. Thank you.